You have to whisper, don't say it. Okay. The concept is very simple. If your differentiation, remember I said the four things I said: confused market, great opportunity, differentiating for product or application, and few good men or few good people. The differentiating factor, if your idea is so simple that anybody can copy it, or three people put together copy it, then I would never fund it. Because what is your barrier to entry? You know, your barrier to entry is so low that anybody can copy, then why would I invest? It may be a good idea, but I will not invest it. The investor won't invest in your idea. So that you should abandon that gold vein and go find some other one that you create a larger barrier to entry. Because barrier to entry is the key. That is, you constantly, it's like giving, you know, Ben Franklin once said, give me liberty or give me death. I change and I say, give me differentiation or give me death. If you cannot differentiate, and if you cannot maintain the differentiation, you will disappear. Right? So, as far as, you know, if you think, you know, if you go around and talk to 5 people and they get the idea and they copy, then your differentiation is very, very low. So that answers your first part. Now, as far as the Indian part is concerned, I'm the wrong person to answer because I don't know what you do around it. In a global sense, patenting the idea and patenting the project and marketing it appropriately works. Works in US, works in Japan, works in Europe, works in most of the developing countries. I don't know about India, and that I think you should ask other experts. If you're going to go after only Indian products, I may not be able to help you. Frankly, I'm telling you, okay. The third thing you talked about is some big company would copy you. You know, big company has more resources, more people, more things than what you have. What you have is the fastest feet. Big companies will not move as fast as you can. The only single most thing that startups have is the speed. If you cannot run fast and faster, then people will kill you. So, you get the idea. Remember I said, VC money, you burn the money. Reason why do you burn the money? You put more people, more resources and kind of go as fast as you can. So, either you are highly successful or you go down in flames. I want to know that early. If you're going to go successful, if you're going to become a successful entrepreneur, successful company, become quickly, or you go down in flames. I'll go on to something else. Slow death is not acceptable. So those are 3 points that you talked about, right? So Indian question, you ask somebody here, they may be able to better give you some guidance on that.
Thank you. I know there are many of you who raised hands and I have disappointed you. But I want to tell you one good thing. Prakash spends quite a bit of time in Pune. He lives started spending here. He lives in Silicon Valley, but he's here cumulatively between 2 to 3 months a year in Pune. So we're going to grab him next time again. And those of you who want to know more or take the next, I think this could probably continue for another maybe 2-3 hours and we'll still not be tired. So next time around, Prakash, when you're here, we would love to have you here. Sure. And you may not have a choice because we're going to come and grab you anyway. No problem. So everyone, thank you very much. I'm going to now request Satish to give a word of thanks.
Hi guys, I don't know about you, but I have this very vivid graphic in my mind. When I came in here today, I came in with this little tiny box in which I take my nuggets. Right? As the conversation progressed, I have slightly bigger briefcase. I'm going to go back with a backpack, with a sack on my back. That's how wonderful this session has been. Prakash, it's been amazing. You have shared so much with us. Now I know I'm speaking for the audience that the kind of things we have learned from you, we have heard from you. It's just been incredible, amazing. Starting from your definition of entrepreneurship, right? The direction from confusion, the learnings you have about being, street smartness, scrappiness, and some of the things that resonate with what we have seen, how to form teams, etc. Right? It's just amazing. Your passion speaks for yourself, Thank you so much on behalf of TIE for being here and sharing your journeys with us. I want to thank Vishwas for introducing TIE. He's, for many of you who have heard the presentation, having Vishwas come in here and speak about TIE is always invigorating. Kiran, thank you very much for making time. I know you have, you've been a very busy person. You have a hectic social schedule after this. Thank you for being here, and thank you for also making, this whole thing happen with Prakash. And lastly, we all know that event like this does not happen without sponsors. So thank you, Clarion Venture Partners, Cosmos Bank, and the Kirloskar Chair. Dr. Sherry, thank you for being here. You missed the most fun part of the whole discussion. I hope we'll see more of you later in the evening. Thank you for coming here. Thank you, all of you. Right? It's amazing to see this full packed house. I know Prakash Bhale, Prakash is the reason why you're all here. I like to think that you're here also because of TIE. So I urge you all, those of you who are not members of TIE, sign up for TIE. Give us your feedback, very important. I'd like to invite Ankur to present a memento to Mr. Prakash. Thank you all charter members who've been a constant source of inspiration. Ankur, Vishwas, Kiran, Ajay, and many others who are here, for all of your hard work in putting programs like this and giving direction to the TIE activities. Thank you once again, everybody.